Google Docs voice typing not working. In this video, we'll fix Google Docs voice typing if it's not working with your device. Here, I have opened up this blank document in Google Docs, and let's see how to enable voice typing. So, what a lot of people don't do is they don't give the microphone permission to the website, and the voice typing does not work. Just go to this little icon right here, click on this, and make sure your microphone is enabled, right? So simply enable it and reload the page. Once you reload it, come back to the page, press Ctrl Shift and S, and it will start the voice typing in your device. If that doesn't work, let me show you some other ways. There might be an issue with your microphone, so in order to check it, simply press the Windows button and here type Control Panel. Open the Control Panel and go to Hardware and Sound. Select Sound, and inside Sound you will find this recording section. Here you can find your microphone. Click on Properties. Go to this Listen tab and select the Listen to this device option to check if your microphone is working or not. Just like that, you can select this option. You can even go to this Levels tab and check if your microphone level is adjusted properly or not. So, checking your mic, doing these things, you can fix speech to text in Google Docs and use it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.